What is up, Giz Army? It is your girl LATRICE, and I am back at you again with another natural Les hair video. And again, we are doing a video with Cream of Nature. Cream of Nature has sponsored this video. They sent me some goodies, a whole bunch of goodies, and I decided to do a little video showing you guys a night out look, which is where I'm headed right now. So if you are new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you want to see more of the beautiful LATRICE, as well as, you know, go ahead and thumbs up this video. You're already here. Well, it's right there. Same place as the subscribe button. Go ahead and thumbs up the video. Okay? Thumbs it up. But without further ado, we're gonna get right into the video. So what's up, y'all? So I'm gonna start by laying these edges. Actually, pause. I'm gonna start by oiling my scalp. Y'all, like, I rarely ever get the time to actually oil my scalp because my hair is always wet. So I'm super hyped about being able to actually get some oil in this bad boy. So I'm gonna get that done real quick with the Essential 7 Treatment Oil. Oh, maybe I should. Yeah. It's taped down. Come on, baby. It's a lack of preparation. So I'm gonna just tell you guys the 7 oils that this bad boy has, okay? It has coconut oil, argan oil, olive oil, jojoba oil. Definitely pronounced jojoba, okay? Sweet almond oil, shea oil, and sunflower oil. If you know me, you know I love me some sunflowers. So it has sunflower oils, and that is why it's called these 7 essential oils. Now, let's get into this moisture because y'all already know I live for the moisture. So we're gonna go ahead and get this scalp moisturized. A little oil under my hair, boy. Now we'll just take a little bit and put it on my fingertips and just massage my scalp. So I'm a huge fan of thick oils, y'all. And this one is like, when I tell you it's like the perfect mixture of thin and thick oils, like it is the perfect oil. First of all, let me just snatch my own self up, okay? Eyes on catfish. Oh. Okay, so we got ourselves oiled down. Now I'm gonna part my hair off camera because I can never do it on camera. So I'm gonna do it off camera. Then we'll come back. Then come back, okay? So I'm not quite sure if it's the straightest part, but you know, y'all, I don't care. I don't care about it. We're gonna go ahead and lay the edges on this side, and then we're gonna do the same thing on this side. So next I'm going to use my 24-hour edge tamer, my edge control. Y'all, oh, all right, and guess I'm gonna need 2. Y'all know I live by edge control. Like, make or break a hairdo is this edge control. So, bear with me. So I'm gonna take it and put it like right where I want the hair to lay down. I'm gonna kind of brush that in a little bit. So I think that's about as much edge control really that I want to do, and then a little bit back here. And brush that up. And then we're gonna braid it on down. And now we're gonna flay the edges to the other side and braid that bad boy down. What y'all need to make sure y'all do, 100%, I learned this, I can't remember, I might have seen it on Instagram, but the reason y'all might get, like white residue on your hair from edge control is because you don't fully blend it in. You gotta fully blend it. Otherwise, you're gonna get white residue. And you know it's fully blended when your hair is straight. See that? Don't get this confused with the, okay, because this is the shine. This is a sheen. It's not white. Okay? I do have to keep applying this edge control though before I put this scarf on. So, but I always lay my edge control down with a scarf. So, go ahead and like do this over. So now, okay, so at first I was gonna put it in like to, you know, just pin it up in the back, right? But then I was like, your girl look like a school teacher, honey. I cannot. So I'm going to put it in a ponytail back here. And then I'm going to take these braids out and pretty much tease it into a ponytail. Take my cute little cream of nature and tease my hair into a messy ponytail. You gotta do a lot of teasing, trust me. I don't like to do a lot of teasing because, child, teasing means naps. That's all I can say. I'm super for shape, y'all. Like, the shape gotta be right. It's okay though. It's okay if it's a little messy, like, but like from the angle that I want it to look right, you gotta be right. That's all I'm gonna say. There it is. We got a winner. We're just gonna take a little bit of this coconut milk curling cream, so we can get our little curl right here popping. Okay. Sometimes, y'all, sometimes it's trial and error. Like, I didn't intend for this to be the do, but there it is, you know. So I'm gonna tie this down and I'm gonna wait like 5 minutes and I'm gonna come back and then we're gonna add the accessories. All right, y'all, it's reveal time. It's reveal time. It's reveal time. It's reveal time. We're gonna see if these edges is laid, honey, okay? We're about to see. Okay. Okay, we might be working with something. We might be, you know, we might be working with something. Okay. Okay. Well, let's accessorize then, honey. Sometimes we like to put a lot, you know. There it is. Simple, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Cause those are part of the team. Those are part of the accessories. And those.
Fingers down my spine. Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your
I know y'all see how I achieve this look and what I use. Your girl's hype, cause this is something new for me, you know. This is something I just wanted to try out for the first time. So I said, you know, why not try something new, you know? Since I'm doing this partnership with Creme of Nature. As you see from a previous Creme of Nature video, I use this same line, the coconut milk styling collection. I use a couple of products from their coconut milk line. I use the oil, the edge control, and the curling cream. And then I use the heat protectant from their argan oil line. So 4 products to achieve this look. Get into it. Period. So I love everything about this line. I've used this line faithfully, the coconut milk collection. However, I think that my hair's edges is a little bit more difficult to tame, and the tamer, you know what I'm saying, it was holding on. It was holding on for dear life. It still got me there, but you know, I like a little bit more, you know, I like a little bit more snatch, you know what I'm saying? But it's, you see, it still let me down, you know what I'm saying? It still let me down. It's just this feeling though, you know, this Okay, Okay, y'all, so that concludes this video. If you want more partnerships or more naturalist hair videos, more cream of nature, go stalk their page. Go stalk their page and at Liz Latrice all in their comments. At Liz Latrice all in their comments. And then when I post this video and when I post this the picture, go at Cream of Nature so they can repost. We need more.
You need more! Tell them you need more!
We need more collections. Let's go, Cream of Nature. Let's get it, baby. I'm so hyped right now. I have no idea what's going on. But I love you guys. I will see you guys on my next upload. It is your girl, Liz Latrice. And remember to always protect your peace.